Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome on Android phone. And in today's video, I will show you on how to turn off Google Chrome tracking on your Android phone. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to your settings on your Android phone. So go ahead and click on settings. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to Google right here. Go ahead and click on Google. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on all services. Then scroll down all the way down until you get to Firebase app indexing. So go ahead and click on that. Then you have your Chrome, webbing, digital webbing, Gmail, Play Service, Map, Google Message, and YouTube. These are all apps on your Android phone whereby Google are collecting and display user recent action and error and send it to developer. With that, Google are tracking your activity on either on Chrome, digital webbing, Gmail, Play Service, Google Maps, Google Message, and Gmail. So what you need to do to stop this tracking is to click on here and you are done. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about privacy and security settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.